Welcome to episode 2 of
Galarian bird hunting until I catch one.
And just like that, we're set. I specifically waited until it was windy weather. I made it to where you guys can see it now. It's still boosted Articuno. But honestly, that's the only one I don't have. I've never actually caught one on my own. I've mastered bald, both of the ones I've got. Honestly, if I did, then I wouldn't be making this series. I found a shiny cat. Mind you, it's Moon Guy and Sunstone Guy Community Day. So, who invited this bum? A Venusaur. A whole-ass Venusaur. What you're going to tell me is that Bidoof can spawn a whole Venusaur but can't spawn a single Galarian bird.
You're lucky I even gave you that, you ungrateful bastard.
Generally, where do you come from? Look at these trash stats. Little bro came in like I was going to use him on my team. Yeah, you're getting sold. Yeah, let me just cut the video short because this whole entire... the rest of this instance was absolute dog water. Bidoof has to be on his trolling arc today, but it's all right. There's always tomorrow, I think. I hate you, Bidoof.
I hate you too. And watch how I don't give you nothing tomorrow. I'm not gonna give you jack. No Galarian birds, no nothing. It's all your fault, bro. Sorry, should never say what you said.